84% of developers now use AI tools. Only 29% trust them. That's not a vibe. That's the Stack Overflow 2025 Developer Survey. 65,000 developers. And it tells you more about where this industry is heading than any LinkedIn thought leader has in the last 2 years. Because the narrative you've been sold, that AI makes everyone more productive, more hireable, more valuable, has a footnote nobody's reading. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you what the job market actually looks like right now, the real productivity data, and the split that's already happening to developer salaries. No hype, just receipts. Let's start with the number the career coaches aren't posting about. U.S. programmer employment fell 27.5% between 2023 and 2025. That's Bureau of Labor Statistics data. Software engineering job postings are down 36% from their 2020 baseline and 45% from the 2022 peak. And they have not recovered. The impact is concentrated. Developers aged 22 to 25 are down 20% from their employment peak. Q1 2026 logged 78,000 tech layoffs, with nearly half explicitly attributed to AI. The entry level isn't slowing down, it's being deleted. Salesforce's CEO announced they hired 0 engineers in fiscal year 2026. 0, while spending billions on AI infrastructure. They're not struggling, they're structurally reshuffling. Less headcount, more AI. The budget didn't disappear, it moved. You've probably seen the GitHub Copilot study. Developers completed tasks 55% faster. It's in every AI tool pitch deck on the planet. In 2025, METR ran an independent randomized controlled trial. Same tools. Experienced open source developers on their own complex code bases. AI slowed them down by 19%. Same tools, opposite results. The difference is the task. Junior devs on well-defined tickets get a speed boost. Senior devs on complex, context-heavy work get friction. And 45% of developers in the Stack Overflow survey said debugging AI-generated code takes more time than writing it manually. Not less, more. The productivity gains are real. They're just not where the vendors advertise them. But here's the part that should actually change what you do next week. This market isn't dying, it's bifurcating. PwC analyzed close to 1 billion job ads and found a 56% wage premium for developers with AI skills, up from 25% the year before. AI engineered job postings jumped 109% year over year. There are 1.6 million open AI positions right now. Only 518,000 qualified candidates exist to fill them. On the other side of that split, traditional dev roles compressing, entry-level evaporating, and companies making very loud public statements about not needing as many engineers. The market hasn't decided AI replaces developers. It's decided it replaces some developers while paying others more than ever. The variable isn't how much you use AI. It's whether you understand what you're doing when you use it. The 29% of developers who don't trust AI aren't behind. They might be the only ones using it correctly. If you want to be in that camp, honest, data first, no cope, subscribe. That's what this channel is built for.